In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business niche in Gohighlevel 2026. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to update the business details. This is important because business settings are usually tied to the specific location you're working in, so you want to confirm you're editing the right one before making any changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu, and it gives you access to the different sections of your account. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This is the area where you manage account level details, preferences, and business information. After the settings page opens, go to Business Profile. This section contains the core information for the business, such as the company details and other profile settings connected to that location. If you're updating your setup for automations, branding, or platform accuracy, this is the right place to do it. Inside the Business Profile section, look for the field labeled Business Niche. Take a moment to locate it carefully because this is the setting that defines the type of business or industry your account falls under. Choosing the correct niche can help keep your account information organized and aligned with your business category. Next, click on the drop-down menu for Business Niche. A list of available options should appear. Scroll through the list and find the niche that best matches your business. Try to choose the most accurate option available, since that will help ensure your profile reflects your business properly. If there are several similar options, select the one that most closely fits your main service or industry focus. Once you've selected your business niche, quickly review the field to make sure the correct option is now displayed. It's always a good habit to double check before saving, especially when you're updating business profile settings. When everything looks right, click on Update Information. This saves the change and applies your selected business niche to the business profile. And that's it. That's how you add a business niche in Gohighlevel. As a final tip, if you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or reopen the business profile section to confirm it has been saved successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.